Hi, I'm Rob, the NY Drapery Guy. We're working with the Rollease Acmeda Automate Shades. I'm going to show you how to put a Rollease Acmeda Automate shade to sleep. Now, the main reason you would have to put one of these shades to sleep is because you have two shades together on the same channel. And if you go to adjust the limits on one shade without putting the other shade to sleep, you're going to mess up all the limits. So you have to put all the other shades to sleep. If it's one shade, if it's two shades, if you have 10 shades in the room, they all have to be put to sleep, and it's really very easy to do. All you need to do is take a drapery pin and go to the P1 button. It's the button on the motor. So you're going to push, hold, 1, 2, release. Shade will beep. This shade is now asleep. And now when you go to push the button, you'll see that you're not going to mess up that shade at all. That shade is asleep. You can't do anything to mess up the programming on that shade. To bring the shade out of sleep mode is really very simple again. You're going to push the same button, the P1 button, one time. You push the P1 button one time. It's going to jog one time. You release, you hear it beep. Now both your shades are on. I'm Robert, the NY Drapery Guy, and that's how you put a Rollease Acmeda Automate shade to sleep.